In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto blocker on Samsung phone. With Samsung phone auto blocker, you can easily block threats or virus trying to attack your Samsung phone, or virus trying to attack your Samsung phone when you connect your Samsung phone to a PC using a USB cable. At the same time, you're able to block virus coming from downloading or download from the internet, or when you receive an image and your device tries to download it, the Samsung phone auto blocker will block it completely. Now, to turn on auto blocker on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, then scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now scroll down, tap auto blocker. Once you're on the auto blocker page, then you have the feature to turn on this auto blocker. But before then, turning on auto blocker will block apps from unauthorized sources. Only app from authorized sources can be installed. At this point, you'll not be able to install APK file on your Samsung device. Now turn on app security check. App installed on your phone will be checked for malicious activities, and the most important part of this feature is the ability to turn on messaging app protection and block software update by UXP. You can also block command by USB cable. So with Samsung phone auto blocker, your Samsung device will be protected 100% from any forms of attack, either Trojan or virus. Now go ahead now and toggle on this feature. And once this feature is turned on, scroll down to advanced and make sure you turn on messaging app protection and block software update by USB. And with this feature turned on, your Samsung phone is now auto blocker protected. So find this really helpful and interesting. If you want to hit like button, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.